it's such a nice day today.
I know, perfect day to have a picnic.
Oh, I really don't want to sit in this stud. It's destroying my makeup. Oh. Yay! Now I can actually talk to people I actually like.
Shut up, Mole. If you don't like us, then why did you come?
Bye, losers.
I hate her so much.
Be cool, Mike.
Well, liquid comes out of a water bottle that has liquid full to the top.
What's happening, guys?
Whoa! What?
Guys.
What is going on? What happened? I don't feel so good.
What? Someone check her pulse.
Someone! I'm sure I should check it. What happened?
She's dead.
She isn't breathing. You can only peel a banana if you've got hands.
Come on, everybody. Let's just calm down and discuss what to do with this body.
Not a clue.
You said you were a PI.
I am a PI.
Never mind, we have more important things to worry about. Put it in the trash.
Bury it.
Why don't we cover it with a picnic blanket?
Good idea.
Martha, should we go to your apartment to interview everyone? Mike, would you like to take a seat? How do you feel about pineapple on pizza?
If I do say so myself, I love it.
Thank you. You can go now. What's your favourite food?
Well, if this is relevant to the interrogation, pizza.
Okay, can you tell us what you think about Mal?
Well, I just watched her die. How do you think I would feel about her?
How did you feel about Mal?
Well, me and Mal, when we first met, we were friends. It was really nice. But then, after a few years, she met new people and she became friends with them. She kind of left me out of the picture, really. Never really connected, really stayed in contact after that. And she has definitely changed in personality. There were some times where I was angry with her, but I would never ever want to hurt her or even kill her, was what had happened today.
I feel a bit sick. I'm gonna go outside for a minute.
I'm just gonna see if it's okay. The keys. Drinks for the picnic. Wasn't it Max and Roger?
Yeah, it was.
Good Look at this cup and look at the other. Max did something with Mal's drink.
Wait, what?
We need to find them. Wait, they're gone.
Oh no. Oh wait. Well, we can't call the police now. They've left. And all we have is the body.
Oh no, I'm going to get fired. Wait, I never had a client anyway.
But they're on release and they'll be committing more murders than ever. We need to find them.
Let's go.
I always come back.
Alright, I need to.
Roll camera.
Camera rolling.
Okay, slate.
Scene 3, shot 1, take 2.
Okay, action.
How do you feel?
Action.
How do you feel about pineapple on pizza?
Where does she go? Go.
Bro, we are revolting children, living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs. You sing revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done. And we'll have the children revolting. We're revolting.
I know.
Oh wait, no,
Wait, what? Oh God. This can be added to the bloopers.
Okay, keep going and action.
guys,
What?
Up, and then after you say your last line, I think you should fall with your head onto the picnic blanket. Is that right? What do you guys think?
Well,